Hey guys, welcome back. I just got this in the mail today. This is from Collectors Events Unlimited, which, as you probably know, that those are the people who run the convention, both the LA convention, which is called the Collectors Convention, Hot Wheels Collectors Convention, and then the convention that they have somewhere else in the country, which is called the Nationals Convention. And the Nationals Convention was supposed to be last week in Charlotte, and because of COVID-19, it was canceled. So if you had a ticket, I was number ticket 259, you were still able to order the convention collector cars and get the things that were supposed to come with your ticket, instead of getting to go to the convention. So this is my box. I haven't opened it yet, from what I was supposed to get, plus the cars that I ordered from the convention. So we're going to open it up. Cool. Alright, so car number 1 is the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser in white. And as a ticket holder, you were able to order 3 per ticket. Car number 2 is the 70 Dodge Power Wagon, and you were also able to purchase 3 per ticket. And then the finale car, number 3 of 3, this year is the 71 Datsun 510. And you got 1 with your ticket, and this year they allowed you to purchase 1 extra car with your ticket. You also get a commemorative hat with your ticket with the logo on it. That's pretty nice. You got a satchel, a drawstring backpack with the logo on it, so you could walk around and bag up your goodies. A lanyard for your badge. Looks like we also got a washcloth type towel. Here is my badge to go on my lanyard. That a lot of people would go around, and it's got the different things that you would be able to purchase on there. And a folder. Writing utensil. And that's it. Oh, and a notepad for you to take notes as you go from room to room. So that's what you get as part of your package.